Now the last thing remain here is this footer element, and uh, there are some minor changes to be done here. Let me show you. This second card is having a background shadow, some shadow inside background. So it looks like it is coming up. And after that, let me show you on a small screen. We have a margin bottom here, a margin of whatever we will check it. So let me show you in our website. Let me in this layout, we need to add some margin bottom here also and here also. And then we need a margin bottom on this button so that this map will not merge in this button. So let's get started doing this margin first. Margin on context section. So where is the context section? Here we have this context section. Services, and then we have this context section here. And on this first column, we need to add some margin bottom of 3. Let me now reload and let me see, is this working? Here we go. Now the button, this button and this map has some spacing. And the same thing we want for these 3 columns. So just go to this section where services, and we want this margin section. For each column, we want to add margin bottom of 3 here, and then here margin bottom 3, and then on the third one margin bottom dash 3. And these classes, and there will be some gap. Let me show you. Here we go. We have now some gap here. And now the last thing that remain is this footer. So it is very simple to add. Just come to this section, and let me first remove this space, and then just add a footer. Come in and footer with the class of background dark and text light. Text will be in center, and it will have a padding of top and bottom of 5. And the text we are going to add using a P element, and it will say this. So copy and just paste it, and remove this extra space and add a BR tag in there. And now reload. And now just reload this website. Here we go. We have this beautiful web section, and this website is now completely responsive like this. It will look like this on small devices. And one minor thing remains, that this font family I am using is not the same as Bootstrap giving us. So change the font family on font family to be Montserrat or Sans Serif. Sans Serif. Sans Serif. Whatever it is. Like this, save, and now reload. Look on this font family. It will change. There we go. We have now changed our font family like this. All font family is now changed. That's it, and we have completed this beautiful project here. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.